Hey, if anybody left a tumbler up here, you need to come get it. Come on, you still need tumblers. You don't take it? I'll take it home. I'll take it home. I gotta watch it though. I know everything else to it. So, don't forget, $2 on the burritos over here. We're going to got $5 lemonade, last call. Any sales over here for Chicago Rich? Hey, you're the boss, are you? You're the boss.
Hi guys, how you doing?
Hey.